Hey Max, you're okay? You seem to be disturbed.
Ugh, I just got this report from the sales team. They're using customer and account like they're the same thing. I can't figure out who's who or what's what.
Yikes. That's a classic terminology disaster. You need Verb.
Verb? What's that?
It's a semantic data management tool. With Verb, you can define terms like customer and account, add synonyms, clarify their meanings, and make sure everyone's aligned.
Okay, but fixing definitions doesn't solve the fact that my data is scattered across a dozen databases.
That's why Verb has a data catalog. It connects to your databases, maps out your tables and columns, and adds meaning to them. No more guessing what cust_id or ACC_REF stands for.
Interesting. But I still spend hours digging for insights.
Not with Verb. You can query your data in natural language, like how many new customers opened accounts in the last quarter, or what's the total revenue from Google in the last 3 months. It just works.
Now you're speaking my language. How do I try it?
Simple. Go to their website, ask for a demo, and see it in action.
If it's as good as you say, I'll owe you a coffee. If not, prepare for some serious finger wagging.
Challenge accepted. You'll be amazed.